we listened to our customers and we put together this demo that I'm going to walk you through that we're currently piloting with a few. And it shows our approach and how we can possibly address all of these issues. So from an overview standpoint, there are a couple key things here. One, we chose BLE tags. BLE tags are inexpensive for the most part, compared to some of these ultra wideband or more expensive tags that can get up to the hundreds of dollar ranges for an individual tag. We could possibly get a tag down to $4 to $7, depending on volume and depending on the functionality of those tags. So we started there. We also wanted to make sure that we didn't have a heavy infrastructure that had to be gridded out. And that really set the path for the solution. So our solution is dependent on the tags communicating with each other. The BLE tags broadcast out specific information. Our demo tags that we have here that we just saw a picture of actually broadcast out more than just contact information. They broadcast out environmental and accelerometer information as well, so they could be used in different scenarios. Those tags are actually broadcasting out and listening for other tags nearby. And they're currently calibrated to collect information from an existing tag or from another tag within a 2-meter range. No identifiable information is broadcast or saved on these tags. It is just the MAC address, just a unique ID for the tag itself. Every time a tag sees another tag, it records the timestamp, the signal strength, and the ID of that other tag and stores that in memory. Currently up to 500 different contacts within one tag. Again, no reliance on a gateway at this point. At this point, we have a record of that tag within other tags. Now we need to get it uploaded to the platform. So as tags get within range of a gateway, and these gateways can be strategically located, they don't need to blanket an entire environment. So we suggest maybe near an elevator or some kind of area like a cafeteria or vending machines where someone may stand or sit for a few seconds so we can scan the tag and download the contact information from that tag. From there, that information is then sent up to the platform. It's sent as it scans for tags, so we get some environmental information. And then if we notice that the contact count on that tag is greater than 0, a special command is sent from the gateway to the tag to download that information, that contact list, which is then sent to our platform and processed there. Downstream of the process a little bit, we're also running nightly reports using our notebook functionality, where we capture the information, bring it into a notebook, execute some logic around it, and then output a 14-day contact list that can be used either in external systems, or I'll show you an experience that we've created that allows you to search for contacts moving forward. I just want to highlight a couple key areas around the benefits. No need for an RTLS infrastructure or mobile apps. Because the tags are communicating directly with each other, we can keep that infrastructure cost down. And as mentioned later in a later bullet here, with strategically placed gateways, we can further reduce the cost of infrastructure. No position information is actually needed or captured. So again, no XY coordinates. Even if the employee were to take the tag home, we're not actively tracking them. We're just looking at the interactions between tags and not in any lat long or XY position. No identifiable information is ever on the tag or transmitted over the network. We're just looking at tag IDs, and then ultimately, whether it's in the platform itself or with an external system, that association can be made. Solution is portable from site to site. If you have employees that go from maybe construction site to office, you have the option of having gateways on both or on just one. The solution would be portable from site to site. Gateway or tags moving from sites can be picked up on a gateway from another site as well. And then depending on the form factor and the tag technology, which I'll also point out that, as a platform, we are hardware agnostic. We are not dependent on any one tag. If the tag can have the custom firmware on it, allowing it to search for other tags nearby, then we'll gladly use it in the solution and get information up to our platform. So all of these tags, the platform and the gateways, are potentially reusable after COVID in a asset tracking solution or any other solution that BLE and gateways and a platform may apply.